Students, a very good morning to you all and welcome to social science class. In last class, we have seen about Pallavas. In today's class, we are going to see administrative system of Sangam age. Page number 131. What do you mean by administrative system of Sangam age? That means in Sangam age, how a king was administrated. That we going to see in this class. Okay, now we move on to a paragraph. Arasan was specially called an Ko, Kan, Vendan, Kotravan, Irai by his people. Each dynasty had their own flag, symbol, scepter, sword, drum, and Venkotra Kudai. What means Arasan have many names? That means a king have many names in Sangam age. That and all. Ko, Kan, Vendan, Kotravan, Irai. People called them as likewise. Next, each dynasty. That means each kingdoms have their own flag, symbol, scepter, sword, drum, and Venkotra Kudai. Flag means we know flag symbol, that one. For example, for Chera means what we have seen, bow and arrow. Chola, tiger. And Pandyas we have seen fish symbol. Next, scepter. Scepter is an ornamental rod that a king or a queen carries on ceremonial occasion of his power is known as scepter. For each kingdom, this one differ. Next, sword means we know knife. Next, drum. Venkotra Kudai. These and all will not same for all kingdoms. For each kingdoms, they have their own flag symbol, scepter, sword, drum, and Venkotra Kudai. Okay, students. Now we move on to page number 132. The kings were not only efficient warriors, but they were scholars too. Kingship became hereditary. The first son became the ruler. The kings greatly cared for the people of their country. What they have said means kings not only fight bravely, they too scholars. That means kings too educated, and kingship become hereditary. That means if her grandfather next who king means father, next her son, likewise it becomes hereditary. Parambara is likewise say no, that only. Next, first son only become a ruler. That means first son become a king, and they greatly care for the people. Okay, what people need, that one they will satisfy. That only is said in this para. Next, hospitality in Tamil, virundombal. Next heading, hospitality occupied a significant place in Sangam period, even though it is amirdam, that means nectar. It was considered to be a sin if the guest is kept outside home. What they have said means virundombal, that means if anyone comes to a home means you have to give food and whatever they need. That only virundombal, whether you know them or not. If guest was outside and we drink a amurdam also, it is become a sin means pavam. So in an Sangam period, hospitality become a great place, occupies a great place. Next, Kakai Patiniyar, a poet, got the name for praising a crow for informing the arrival of a guest. Purananuru describes hospitality as one of the important duties of the Tamils. What means in our home and all say no. If a crow shout means a guest will come. That was said by Kakai Patiniyar. That was said by who? Kakai Pattiniyar. If a crow shout in a home means guest will come. Likewise, our parents and our grandfathers and all say no. That was said by who means Kakai Pattiniyar. He was a poet. Okay. In Puranaru also written, a great place was occupied for hospitality in Tamils. What they have said means hospitality in para. If whoever comes to a home means we have to give them food and whatever necessary to them. If we not give and kept them outside means it is very sin. Sin means pavam. Next, Kakai Pattiniyar, poet only said that if a crow shout at a home means guest will come. Next, in Purananur also hospitality occupies a great place and it was the important duty of Tamils. Next, economic conditions. Economic condition means financially how the condition was in Sangam period. Various arts and crafts flourished during the Sangam age. People lived happily due to the development in economy. What they have said means various arts and crafts flourished during the Sangam age. That means most of the ideas and all came in Sangam age to support economical conditions. So the people become so happy. What are all these? Come, let us see. Paddy and sugarcane were the most important crops cultivated. Besides these, Varagu, that and all one millet variety, millets, Tinai millets and Samai were also cultivated. From the below, poet Avai tries to convey that the prosperity of king lies in the development of agriculture. What they have said means in Sangam period most of the art and craft they flourished, like I say no. That will become more important in people's life to support the economic condition. The main crops and all paddy and sugarcane. Okay, paddy and sugarcane means that only they are main crops to get income. Next, besides that and all varagu, tinai, samai, that also they cultivate. Next, poet is there, no, poet Avai. In next para there is a song, okay, says that agriculture is main development in king's period. If one kingdom agriculture is good means the king's rule is good. Likewise Avai. Next, see Avai's பாடல். வரப்புயர நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர நெல் உயரும், நெல் உயர குடி உயரும், குடி உயர கோல் உயரும், கோல் உயர கோல் உயர்வான். What is the meaning of this poem means? Varapuyara neer uyaram. That means to a field that varap is very important. Okay, if it was so high means only more water will occupy. More water will occupy means the crop will get more water and the crop will be healthy. Next, if the crop will be healthy means especially paddy. For paddy and all need more water. If more water the crop get means the paddy will be good. If the paddy will be good means who cultivate people get more money. If they get more money means their life will be smooth. If every people will be get more money and they live a convenient life means king also very happy, and that only said as king rule is great. Okay students, you understand. Now see down, let us know. Poet Avvayar always blessed by saying Varapuyara. This signifies the importance of agriculture in the Sangam period. What they have said means always the poet Avvai is there, no, always said Varapuyara. These words signifies how important the agriculture in the Sangam period that represents. Next, conditions of woman. In Sangam period, how was the condition of women? Women were respected in this society. Monogamy was prevalent. Women were equal to men in bravery. What means women were respected in the society in Sangam? Monogamy means one marriage was practiced in Sangam age. More than one marriage was not practiced in Sangam age. That only is said here. Next one, women were equal to men in bravery. What they have said means how a man was brave. Equal to that, woman also brave in Sangam period. It was said in Purananur. How means that in the first day of a battle, woman lost her father. The second day, she lost her husband. In spite of these heavy losses, the third day, she prepared and sent her son to the battlefield by applying the tilagam. What they have said means in a battlefield, in war and all, a woman's father died in first day. Next day, woman's husband died. Even though it is a very great loss to a woman, third day she sent her son to the battlefield by blessing. Okay, this shows how a woman was brave. Next one, it is also said a woman in Sangam age drew away a ferocious tiger with muram winnow in her hand. I think you heard it. If a ferocious tiger will come to our house means woman by keeping a muram, winnow in a hand, draw away a ferocious tiger. That means by beating a tiger in a muram, the tiger will run away. This shows how a woman was brave in Sangam age. Next one, festivals. People of Sangam age celebrated various festivals. Kartigai, Tiruvadirai and harvest festivals were the most celebrated ones. What are all the festivals famous till now itself? Kartigai, Tiruvadirai and harvest festivals. Okay. Next, Urdi Ranganar of Patinampalai said that the most popular festival of Indira Villa celebrated in Puhar. That means Indira Villa that was more popular. It was said by Urdi Ranganar of Patinampalai. In that book, he said it was celebrated in Puhar. Puhar means a place name near Nahapattinam. Okay, let us see shortly. What are all the festivals celebrated in Sangam period? Kartigai. Till now it was celebrated. Kartigai, Tiruvadirai, harvest festivals. Next, Urdi Ranganar of Patinampalai said Indira Villa was celebrated in Puha grandly. Next, try to answer. List of the festivals of Tamil people at present. What are all the festivals at present? That you have to write and send me as a homework. Okay, next, glossary. Below, look, glossary means new words meaning. Kingdom. While I taking lesson itself, I told the meaning. Even though at last they have given a meaning, look at that. Kingdom. A country ruled by a king or a queen is known as kingdom. Sangam age, a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. It is seen as Sangam age. Hail, to cheer, salute or greet is known as hail. Next, page number 134. Disguised, that means to change the appearance. For who this word we used? For Karihalan we used no. Next, tactful. Tactful meaning is being careful not to say or do anything that could upset someone. That is known as tactful. Prosecute, that means to charge someone with a crime and try to show that they are guilty of it in a court of law is known as prosecute. Next, patronage, the support given to an organization by someone is known as patronage. In Pandyas we see no Mudumis Patronage was given by Pandyas. That only. Next, region. The period of rule of monarch is known as region. Depict, to represent or show something in a picture or a story. Depict means to represent or show something in a picture or a story is known as depict. Okay students, now once again I recap. Take page number 131. Administrative system of Sangam age. That in that kings have many names. What are all they means? Ko, Kan, Vendan, Kotravan, Irai. And they each kingdom have their own flag, symbol, scepter, sword, drum and Venkotra Kudai. Next, kings not only brave in warrior, they too scholars, they too educated. Kingship become hereditary. That means it become parambara say no. If grandfather will a king means next to that also king, next also king, that only. And first son will become a king. They cared more for people, hospitality. That means virundombal. If a guest come to our house means we have to provide them a food and necessary things more carefully. If we not care them and we drink a nectar inside a home means it become a sin. Okay. Next, Kake Padinar only said that if a crow shout means guest will come to a house. In Puranaru said the important duty is Virundombal in Tamils. Economic condition. For economic condition, more crops are cultivated, especially paddy and sugar. Besides that, other than that, what are all they means? Varagu, Tinai, Samai. Poet Avai praised and said one poem. That is Varapuyara Neer Uyara Nellu Uyara Kudi Uyara Kol Uyara Kon Uyarvan. That means Varap அதிகமாக இருந்தால் நீர் நிறையா வரும். வரப்பு வந்து ஹைட்டாக இருந்தது அப்படின்னா நிறைய நீர் வரும், வாட்டர் வரும். நிறைய வாட்டர் வந்ததுன்னா அந்த நெல்லுக்கு நிறையா தண்ணி கிடைக்கும். அப்போ அந்த நெல் ரொம்ப செழிப்பாக இருக்கும். அப்போ நெல் செழிப்பாக இருந்ததுன்னா மக்களுக்கு நிறையா காசு கிடைக்கும். மக்களுக்கு நிறைய காசு கிடைச்சா மக்கள் வந்து செல்வ செழிப்பாக இருப்பாங்க. மக்கள் செல்வ செழிப்பாக இருந்தால் அரசனோட ஆட்சி நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? இந்த போயமோட மீனிங் இதுதான். Now move on to next. Let us know. Poet Avayar always blessed by saying Varapuyara. That means always poet Avai say Varapuyara. That represent agricultural importance in Sangam age. Next, conditions of women. Women were more respected and monogamy were prevalent. One marriage only practiced. Now and all two marriages and all practiced. In Sangam period only one marriage only practiced. Next, in Purananuru say about the greatness of a woman. First day she lost her father. Second day she lost her husband. It was a great loss to her. Even though third day she sent her son to a battle by a blessing. This shows how woman was bravery. And if a ferocious tigers come to a home means a woman will beat it through a muram. It was a great bravery in Sangam age. Next, festivals. What are all the festivals celebrated in Sangam age? Kartigai, Thiruvadirai, harvest festivals, and Urudi Ranganar of Patinampalai said. Urudi Ranganar of Patinampalai what said means Indira Villa was celebrated in Puar grandly. Next, they have given a question. List out the festivals of Tamil people at present. At present, what are all the festivals celebrated? You have to find and write, student. I will tell you last. Glossary meanings. Okay. I hope you understand the class, students. The lesson was over. Okay. If you have any doubt means you can ask. Thank you, students. Before that, you have to write answer for this question. List out the festivals of Tamil people at present and send as a homework. Okay, students, thank you.